This video is going to review what are the reasons, which is chapter 4 in asking the right questions. Reasons will be the third essential element of an argument. To go over some quick definitions, reasons are statements that are offered to support or to justify conclusions. Examples of reasons can include some personal beliefs, quotes. This video is going to review chapter 4 in asking the right questions. The chapter is titled, What are the reasons? And reasons being the third essential element of an argument. Some definitions to remember. Reasons are statements that are offered to support or to justify conclusions. Some examples can include some personal beliefs, quotes, statistics, research evidence, personal experiences, anecdotes, so on and so forth. The connection between reasons and an argument. When we think of an argument, we assume that there's anger and animosity involved. We always think that it's highly emotional. And that's not necessarily always the case. An argument is a point of view. And it's someone trying to get us to believe or to persuade using convincing reasons to help us believe what they believe. Some characteristics of arguments include them having a purpose. They're persuasive. So the end result of an argument is to have us sway one way or another, and the person we're having an argument with is usually to try to be swayed into their point of view. And quality varies. Not all arguments are objective or well thought out. Don't believe every argument that you hear. Before you allow yourself to be persuaded to accept a conclusion, try and locate the reasons presented by the author. Look for hard facts and clear, solid evidence. One major argument going on currently in the media is definitely measles and vaccination. So think of the argument and the both sides and the reasons. Words that can identify reasons, here are a list of a few, and a lot of them also go towards because. If you think of these, think of the word that might come before that. The next few slides will just go through some practice with trying to identify conclusions and reasons. Some things to remember while we finish up with chapter 4. Claims should have an explanation or a rationale for the question word why. Reasons act as the base for credibility of a conclusion. Proof should be there to support a claim. Identify reasons, and this helps us keep an open mind to different views. Thinking of arguments, think of the intent, and the intent is trying to convince us with the end result being a reaction. Approach starting with a question a questioning attitude and always start with the word why. What answers the questions will be your reasons. So find the conclusion, highlight it, ask why. Keywords that tell us what the reasons are normally follow because. There are two different kinds of reasons, descriptive and prescriptive. Statements show evidence, and they answer to the question word why. Keep reasons and conclusions organized. And think of the formula reasons plus conclusion equals an argument.